What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all. What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Hey, y'all. We about to get started on these wings. These garlic Parmesan wings. Oh, my God, y'all. I love garlic Parmesan wings. I make these wings all the time. Yes, y'all. I got these wings from Dave's Supermarket. Girl, you can get a case of wings and cut them down to wingdings. But I prefer the flats. Comment down below if you like flats or if you like drums. I'm a flats kind of girl. So we going, you know how I do my meat all the time. I rinse it. From the last video, y'all see me clean my meat with some salt water. Let it sit for a minute. Let all that gunk float to the top. And, you know, wash it, rinse it, wash it, rinse it. You know, clean that chicken off. Make sure no feathers on there, you know. We're going to get that chicken super clean, baby. So, yeah, y'all, I just been around here doing a lot of, you know, videos for y'all, content for y'all. And make sure when y'all rinse y'all chicken, y'all keep it at cool water. Keep it at cool water. Do not rinse that chicken with hot. Please don't. You don't want that chicken to spoil. So, we're going to, you know, take our little seasonings, our garlic powder. I know y'all like, oh, my God, that's a lot of seasonings. Listen, I don't like no bland food. And once we get to cooking it, and then we going you know, that season start to disappear. We're not putting a lot anyways. We're going to put a little slap your mama on there. Y'all know I love my slap your mama. Slap your mama. And I'm going to give y'all two versions. Paprika, y'all. Put some paprika on there. I'm going to give y'all two versions. I'm going to give y'all the air fry, and then I'm going to give y'all the deep fry. And I'm frying it in vegetable oil. So, onion powder, too. And some mustard. Oh, my God, girl. You got to get, baby, this is what I do to my meat, honey. I always put mustard on there. Baby, it seems like it make the world go round when you cooking that food. Let me tell you, and you mix that stuff up real good. Don't be scared to touch no meat, baby. It's dead. It can't do nothing to you. And I put a few in the air fryer. And let them babies cook. Let them bad boys cook. See? I don't stuff it on top of each other. We got a little air fryer. Don't talk about a little air fryer, baby. Got it from Walmart. Yeah. So I put it on 400. Turned that boy all the way up to 30. And then I take the flour, y'all. I know y'all like, I know you ain't using that flour. After putting all that chicken in there, baby, it's on your little flour in there. And once we shake and bake with, once we shake these chickens up in this flour bag. And listen, I know you like, ooh, and we gonna shake it. And then once we done with all of this, we gonna throw the flour away. Cause it ain't nothing, I mean, it ain't gonna be no more in there for real. It was only a little bit. I wouldn't do this if I had a full bag of flour now. That's just unsanitized. That's salmonella. That's bacteria. Don't reuse that dang on flour. Throw that stuff out. It ain't, We're gonna walk to the stove, put it in that hot grease. That grease gotta be scalding hot, y'all. Especially, look, I had stuff floating. There was a couple of fries that was in that grease. I call myself cleaning the grease. Don't let that bother y'all. But yeah, y'all, you gotta make sure that grease is scalding hot. You can't throw no chicken in no grease that's like not hot, baby, because it ain't gonna be right. You don't want no greasy chicken. It's not gonna be right at all. You're gonna be so mad. And I'm just putting a few pieces in there. Yeah. Just let it simmer. Yep. And I got my little thing that I, you know, get my, I had a deep fryer, y'all, but I burnt that sucker out. I ain't gonna even lie. But this the original way. So we gonna get started on this sauce. This garlic Parmesan sauce. So we gonna use 2 stick of butters. You're gonna see me using the other one at the end. And we gonna use that garlic butter again. Oh my God, y'all, that stuff is so good. And we're going to use some minced garlic. Baby, these is garlic Parmesan. We not about to play. Garlic Parmesan, just a little bit, baby. A little bit. Because we're going to use some garlic butter. I got to get another spoon because I don't want to scrape up my pots, y'all. Garlic powder. See? We want these bad boys to be bang. They was banging. I ain't going to even lie to y'all. They is the bomb. They better than Rallies. And I usually, if I want some garlic Parmesan wings and I don't feel like making them, or I don't got the stuff to make it, I go to Rallies. And then I'm using some Parmesan cheese. I think I got these from Dave's. I don't know where I got that Parmesan cheese from. Y'all, I do a lot of shopping. I go everywhere. I go to Dave's. I go to Aldi's. I go to Save-A-Lot. And I don't measure nothing, y'all. So I'm sorry. It's just, I just know when to pour it. When enough is enough. And then I mix that, y'all. Then I let that simmer down while chicken frying. And I just mix it real good, y'all, on low heat. Put it on low heat because you don't want nothing to burn. Even though it's in a non-stick pot. But you still want it to, simmer. And then I'm going to take some parsley, baby. You got to have you some parsley. And just mix that in. Parsley ain't really got no taste. It's just be like for decoration. For I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. See, that's why I add my second butter. And I had it simmering. Y'all see all the little pieces. Ooh, baby, this chicken gonna be bomb. Baby, you gotta try this chicken out. Y'all gotta try this chicken out. Baby, try it out. And then I'm taking some Parmesan cheese. You can get it from any store. Like I said, I go to all types of stores. GFS. I goes to all type of stores. I go to Sam's Club. I shop everywhere, y'all. When I tell you I shop everywhere, I don't know. That look like it might be like a cup full or a little bit over. I don't know. But I'm trying to tell y'all this food. And we let that simmer too. Y'all, it's going to be bomb. It's going to be bomb. And I take a little garlic salt. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because even though it looked like I poured all that salt on the wings before I cooked them, y'all, honest to God, you can, I'm telling y'all, the flavor was so mild. Like, it tastes like it ain't had salt on them. Like I barely sprinkled it. It looked like I'm spraying a lot, but I barely. I'm trying to tell you. And I'm not a big person that eat a lot of, you know what I'm saying? I'm not, because I don't like a lot of salt, but I don't like my food to be bland. So I'm telling the truth. Because a lot of the salt gonna come from that butter and stuff like that. But I had tasted a little bit and it wasn't hitting just yet. When I added that little garlic salt, it was hit. But like I said, you could just eat the wings by itself. But, baby, not on Boss Lady channel. We're going to mix the wings because these is garlic Parmesan wings. And we're going to mix them up. Ooh, get all that good stuff on there, baby. Get the wings all coated up in that garlic butter sauce, garlic Parmesan. And see, them deep fried, baby. Them look, they was banging. They was spicy too. They was hot. Look at them. Baby, me and them kids ate them wings up. And then those are the air fried. See how they look? Woo, girl. And then I take them and put them in that garlic Parmesan. These is good for like people who, on the ketos. You want to eat you a little, doing dirty ketos. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You can do your keto snack, This is a good keto snack because it's high fat and a lot of protein. And these is air fried. But my opinion, I like the air fried better than the fried. I ain't gonna lie. See y'all. Enjoy.